highest performing economy in Asia, next only to China. But that will all be for naught. That will all be meaningless if the increase in our GDP is not accompanied by rural development. And rural development will not be realized to its fullest extent if there is no agrarian reform. And agrarian reform can only be pushed to its maximum potential if we push for family farming.
FAO encourages governments to empower family farmers, especially women and youth, by creating policies conducive to equitable and sustainable rural development.
So I hope you would always remember the words of Dr. Jose Rizal. Anong sinabi ni Dr. Jose Rizal? Ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan. The youth can be attracted to agriculture if they see first meaning in agriculture. Second, the income opportunities as well as feel a sense of pride.